Understanding, I admit my fault. A guide to English apologies. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a common but powerful phrase, I admit my fault. This phrase is not just about acknowledging a mistake, it's about taking responsibility and mending relationships. Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, usage, and the nuances that make it an essential part of English communication. The phrase, I admit my fault, is a straightforward admission of one's mistake or wrongdoing. It's more than just recognizing a mistake. It's a personal acknowledgement that you are responsible for an error and are aware of its impact on others. This phrase carries weight because it's not easy to admit when we're wrong. It requires humility and courage. You might use, I admit my fault, in personal or professional settings. In personal relationships, it helps to heal and strengthen bonds. In professional scenarios, it can demonstrate maturity and responsibility, potentially turning a mistake into a moment of growth and learning. Remember, timing is crucial. Admitting fault right after realizing your mistake shows sincerity and a proactive attitude. Admitting your fault can have a profound impact. It can, 1. Heal relationships. Acknowledging your mistake shows the affected party that you value and respect them. 2. Foster trust. People are more likely to trust someone who can own up to their mistakes. 3. Personal growth. Each time you admit a fault, you're learning and evolving, becoming more self-aware and responsible. While saying, I admit my fault, is powerful, the following steps can make your apology more impactful. 1. Be sincere. Your apology should reflect genuine remorse. 2. Explain, don't excuse. Briefly clarify what happened without making excuses. 3. Make amends. If possible, offer a way to rectify the situation or prevent future occurrences. 4. Listen. Give the other party a chance to express how they feel. I admit my fault is more than a phrase. It's a step towards stronger relationships, trust, and personal growth. By understanding and using this phrase effectively, you're not just learning English, you're enhancing your emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills. We hope this lesson empowers you to communicate more authentically and constructively. Thank you for joining us, and remember, making mistakes is human, but owning them is a mark of true character.